Let's learn the key formula for negative indices. Okay, so first formula is a power minus n equals to 1 by a power n. Second formula is a power minus 1 equals to 1 by a. Third formula is a power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n. If the base are same, we have to add the powers. Okay. Last formula is any base into its reciprocal power, we have to cancel it. We get the answer as 1. So let's look at the example. 9 into 3 power minus 2. So 9, how can we write? It's 3 power 2. So 3 power 2, the reciprocal of 3 power 2 is 3 power minus 2, right? So a power minus n, what is the reciprocal of a power minus n? That is 1 by a power n. Same way 3 power square, what would be the reciprocal? That is 3 power minus 2. So 3 power minus 2, if the base are same, we have to add the power. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Any base which has the power is 0, we get the answer as 1. We can do that way. Or 9 into 3 power minus 2. 3 power minus 2 is 1 by 3 square. 1 by 3 square is 9. 9 and 9 we get cancelled. So we got the answer as 1. Both the ways we can find it. Let's learn the exercise 1.1 first a sum, that is 2 power minus 3. Okay, so which formula we are going to use? A power minus n formula. So we are going to change the negative indices to positive indices. So how can we change to positive indices? We have to write the reciprocal of that number, right? A power minus n is what? A1 by a power n. Now let's come back to our question. That is what? 2 power minus 3. So what is the reciprocal of 2 power minus 3? That is 1 by 2 cube. Now what is our 2 cube? Let's calculate it. So 2 cube means 2 is repeating at 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So final answer is 2 power minus 3 is 1 by 8. Okay. B sum 5 power minus 2. Okay. Now what formula we are going to use? A power minus n equals to 1 by a power n. That means reciprocal formula we are going to use. So what is the reciprocal of 5 power minus 2? That is 1 by 5 square. Okay. So we are going to calculate what is 5 square. What is 5 square? How many times the 5 has to be repeated? That is 2 times, right? Why? Because we have the power is 2. So 5 into 5 equals to 25. So 5 power minus 2 is 1 by 25. Is 3 power minus 2 by 4 power 1. Okay. We are going to use the reciprocal formula. Why I am using the reciprocal formula? Because I have 3 power minus 2. That negative indices we are going to change to positive indices. Okay. So what is the reciprocal of 3 power minus 2? That is 1 by 3 power square. We know what is 3 square, right? What's 3 square? That is 9. 1 by 9. Actually, the question they are given in the fraction. So we found the numerator. Our numerator answer is 1 by 9. Let's find the denominator. 4 power 1. 4 power 1 is nothing but 4. Why it's a 4? 4 is repeating just one time. So 4. Okay. Now let's write. 3 power minus 2 is 1 by 9. Already we have division. It's a fraction number, right? So by 4. Okay. This is the actual step. Now can you see we have two denominators, right? We have 9 as a denominator and 4 is also the denominator. We have two denominators. If you have two denominators, you have to multiply the denominators. Okay. So 9 into 4 is 36. So the final answer is 1 by 36. E sum is 2 power minus 5. So let's use the reciprocal formula. Okay, so 2 power minus 5, the reciprocal of 2 power minus 5 is 1 by 2 power 5. Okay, so let's calculate the 2 power 5. So what is 2 power 5? We have to write 2 at 5 times. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times we wrote the 2. Okay, so the answer is 32. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32. So the final answer is 1 by 32. We are substituting here. Second equation is 4 into 4 power minus 1. Okay, so what formula I'm using is any base into its reciprocal gives 1. Okay, so what is our base here? That is 4. What is our reciprocal of 4? That is 4 power minus 1. Okay, so 4 into 4 power minus 1 based on our formula, which gives the answer is 1. Second B sum, that is 9 into 3 power minus 2. Okay, again I'm using the formula is any base into its reciprocal gives 1. Okay, so what is our base? That is 9. 9, how can we write? That is 3 power square, right? 3 power square. Now what is the reciprocal of 3 square? That is 3 power minus 2. So any base into its reciprocal gives what? It's 1. So what is our final answer? It's 1. Second C sum, that is 10 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, so what formula we are using? A power n into a power n equals to a power n plus n. Okay, if the base are same, we have to add the powers. Now 10 into 10 power minus 2, that's our question. If they don't give any power, what we have to consider? 1. Okay, so 10 power 1 into 10 power minus 2. If the base are same, what we have to do? We have to add the powers. So 1 plus of minus 2. Okay, so it's an integer. If one is positive, if another one is negative, we have to do the subtraction, but write the bigger number symbol. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is 1, but bigger number is 2, which has minus sign, so it's a minus 1. 10 power minus 1. Let's write the reciprocal of 10 power minus 1. Okay, so what's that? It's a 1 by 10. Always give the answer in positive indices. Okay. So the final answer is 1 by 10. D sum 500 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. So what formula we are going to use? A power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n. Now 500, how can you split 5 into 100? So 5 into 10 square. 100 is nothing but 10 square. Okay. So 5 into 10 square into 10 power minus 3. Now, if the base are same, what we have to do? We have to add the power, right? So, our base is 10. Just add the powers. 2 plus of minus 3. Okay, so directly I wrote as 2 minus 3. If you have 1 as negative, you have to write negative 1. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. How? It's an integer. Subtract 3 minus 2, that is 1. 3 is the bigger number which has minus sign. So the answer is minus 1. 5 into 10 power minus 1. Okay. So what is the reciprocal of 10 power minus 1? That is 1 by 10. So 5 by 10. Okay. We simplified this. That answer is 1 by 2. So our final answer is 1 by 2. P sum, that is 1000 into 10 power minus 2. Okay. So what is the formula we are going to use here? A power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n. Okay, 1000, how can we write? That is 10 cube. Okay, so 10 cube into 10 power minus 2. So use the formula. So if the base are same, what we have to do? Just add the power. 10 power 3 plus of minus 2. Okay, so 3 minus 2 is, it's 1. 10 power 1. 10 power 1 is nothing but it's just 10. So our final answer is 10. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye bye.